Hey guys, welcome to another listing of ours, but this time we're in Sunnyvale and wait, where's Susanna? Oh, hey, what are you doing in there?
I'm looking for coffee.
Oh, we don't have coffee here. Do you want to just go grab a cup of coffee around the corner?
Good idea.
All right, let's go.
While we're gone, feel free to look around and you'll see that this property has tons of natural lighting and it's been remodeled throughout the years. The kitchen was updated in recent years and has beautiful backsplash, electric stovetop, stainless steel appliances, beautiful countertop, and fixtures. And this property has radiant heat throughout the whole house. As you walk into the bedroom, you'll find that each bedroom has really well-sized closet space, and the master bathroom has dual sinks and tiled showers. As you walk in the hallway, you'll find that the laundry is conveniently located here. And take a look at the backyard. The large backyard size truly allow you to enjoy outdoor living.
So as you can see, we just came back from Starbucks and I told you it would be quick. Well, Helen is feeling a little comfortable and decided to stay there, but be sure to come to our open house on the weekend. Cheers!